If AnyDesk is showing the desk RT IPC error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get your remote connection working again quickly. This issue is usually caused by firewall restrictions, antivirus interference, VPN or proxy conflicts, or a connection setting inside AnyDesk itself. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get straight into it. First, we're going to check Windows Defender Firewall because a blocked connection is one of the most common reasons AnyDesk throws this error. On your Windows PC, click the search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it from the search results. Once the firewall window appears, look on the left-hand side and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This takes you to the list of apps that are allowed to communicate through Windows security settings. Now click Change Settings. If Windows asks for permission, just confirm it so you can make edits. After that, scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. When you see it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This is important because AnyDesk may need access on both kinds of networks depending on how you connect. After you've enabled both options, click OK or save the changes and then close the firewall window. Next, let's check your antivirus software. Even if Windows Firewall is set correctly, a third-party antivirus can still block AnyDesk in the background. Open your antivirus program and temporarily disable its protection just long enough to test the AnyDesk connection again. If the error disappears, then you found the cause. In that case, don't leave your antivirus turned off permanently. Instead, go into the antivirus settings and add AnyDesk to the Allow list, Exclusions, or Trusted Applications section. That way, your protection stays on while AnyDesk can still connect properly. The next thing to check is whether a VPN or proxy is interfering with the connection. If you have a VPN running, disconnect it completely and try AnyDesk again. VPNs often change your network route and can cause remote connection errors like desk RT IPC error. If you use a proxy server, disable it temporarily as well and test the connection once more. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of users, especially on work or school networks. Now let's adjust the setting inside AnyDesk itself. Open AnyDesk, click the menu button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Connection section. If the settings are locked, click Unlock so you can make changes. Then look for the General section and find the option called Allow Direct Connections. Uncheck that option. Disabling direct connections can help AnyDesk route traffic more reliably when certain network paths are causing problems. After making that change, close the settings and test your connection again. If the error is still there, restart AnyDesk and if needed, restart your computer so all the new firewall and network settings can fully apply. In many cases, the combination of allowing AnyDesk through the firewall, updating antivirus exclusions, disabling VPN or proxy, and turning off direct connections will completely resolve the issue. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for AnyDesk error desk RT IPC error. These steps are safe, beginner-friendly, and they solve the most common causes without wasting time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another AnyDesk error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.